Welcome everyone into another episode of Darwin's Beard. I'm your host, Trevor Mayfield. Today we'll be talking about the anatomical blueprint to all animals, Hox genes.
So, in order to understand Hox genes completely, we're going to have to learn the basics of genetics. Genes are segments of DNA that code for proteins. The regulation of expression for these proteins through such methods as transcription factors creates happy, healthy cells. With the help of cell signaling, cells begin to differentiate, forming tissues, organs, and eventually organisms. The next logical question is, how do cells early in development know to form specific structures such as legs, stomach, or lips when they all share the same DNA? The answer lies within Hox genes. Hox genes determine the body plan of an organism early in development. They code for specific transcription factors that determine the identity of newly differentiated cells, for example wings, legs, antennae, but do not actually form the structures themselves. Hox genes are critical, especially in the embryonic stage. They are expressed collinearly, meaning they are located on the organism in the same order as they are physically located within the chromosome. Hox genes are greatly conserved among species. However, mutations do occur and can lead to varying results. The most common is a deleterious outcome, with the organism becoming highly misshapen. However, there may also be advantageous mutations. For example, Drosophila can have their ultrabithorax Hox gene region mutated, resulting in two thoracic segments, each with a set of wings. While unlikely, such favorable outcomes can lead the organism to more easily collect food, reproduce, or fight.
We're here live at the W Rec Center with #1 boxer in the world, Ryan Brown. Ryan, what has been the key to your success?
I have 4 arms.
You certainly do, Ryan. What led you to develop 4 arms?
Doctor said I had a mutation in my Hox genes. And now I'm blowing out the competition.
Now that you've obtained this #1 status in the world, what do you plan on doing next?
I plan on starting a family and then having a few more champs of my own. And they're gonna blow out the competition too.
Well, there you have it, folks. #1 boxer in the world, Ryan Brown.
To further show the effects of Hox genes, an experiment was performed involving transplantation of mice embryo Hox genes that led to the development of teeth into a chicken embryo. This allowed the chicken to develop mammalian teeth, even though teeth have not been present in birds for about 70 million years.
So you can see, Hox genes are a lot like blueprints. All animals start with the body plan that determines the developmental path of their anatomy. Deciphering the changes in these blueprints provides a ton of support for the theory of evolution. Until next time, I'm your host, Trevor Mayfield. Thank you for tuning in to Darwin's Beard.